Hello and welcome. Did you miss me? Because I know I truly missed acrylic pouring. I think YouTube said I was gone for about 46 days. And in that 46 days, I did paint a couple times, but not so much for YouTube long form, just mainly short form here on YouTube and then a little bit on Instagram as well. I did start a brand new Facebook page. It is called Denise Art Nook. So if you're interested, you can follow me over there as well. Let's get into this painting today because I am so happy to be back into the flow. I'm already feeling it as I'm pouring my paints down now. And yeah, I just can't wait. These colors are so beautiful. I have no idea where they came from. I'm not sure, but I'm using them and I can't wait to start blending them together. So I'm just going to do a color blocking blowout. Here I'm layering all my colors across the canvas. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. Then I'm going to use the hair dryer to blend them and blow them out. If you have been watching my shorts, then you have seen me do this same technique in short form. Let me know in the comments if you have been following that part. Yeah, that's really it. That's all that I have. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get started. I'm done yapping now. I will let you enjoy this acrylic painting and I will talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is, without the overhead light reflecting off the painting. I do apologize about that though. I forgot to turn it off, and that's why it was that glare there while I was blowing out the paint. Such a rookie move of me to leave it on, but it happens. It happens to the best of us. I'm happy I blew this out though. I'm happy I blew this section out because the way that I layered the colors, there is color up underneath that black. So if I started to blow, you know, again, then I would pick up more color. But I didn't want to do that. I like the negative space that it gives the composition. And I got some aqua green inside of there, which is fine because I wanted to create more balance throughout the composition since my aqua green got stuck up top there. But overall, this is a beautiful painting. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. I will be using them in my next video for the next painting. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm happy to be back in the flow of painting and getting my creativity juices stirring again. It really feels good to be back in my element after, I think YouTube said 46 days. Here is the dried results. So let me get a little closer. It's a little windy today, but that's okay. I wanted to get a video of the dry results so you can see how well these colors work together. Oh, this is my favorite. And it is shimmery because the pearl blue, I added pearl blue by Arteza to the blue. There's metallic in the red ochre and the aqua flash. So this is without varnish. So pretty.